If you're one of those camera-shy people, today's your lucky day. In this Canva AI tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to bring your words to life with a talking avatar in a few easy-to-follow steps. Ready your cursors and let's bid farewell to self-consciousness once and for all. Step 1. Launch the platform. It doesn't take a genius to guess this, but you'll need to launch the application first. You can either do this on your web browser or download the application to your desktop. For those of you who are broke, there's nothing to worry about. It's absolutely free to download on almost all operating systems, and yes, it's got all the same features that you'd find online. Honestly, it's just a matter of convenience. That said, for today's tutorial, I'm going to use the web version because the desktop version drains my battery. As I said, convenience. Step 2. Log in or register. Now, since I already have an account, I'll simply log in using my Gmail. However, on days when Gmail's glitching, I use my Facebook account or even my Windows account to gain access. As for viewers who are new to Canva, don't fret. Here's how you can become a member. See the sign up button here? Click on it and sign up using one of these options. Once you're registered, you'll be taken to a personalization tab. This is supposed to help tailor the platform to your unique needs. I'm going to pick personal, but let's say you're a small business, so you can select that option instead. If you think you might have made the wrong choice, keep your head on. You can change it later in the app's settings. After you personalize the app, you'll be shown an ad for Canva Pro. If you design often and would like to use the app to its full capacity, go ahead and sign up for a free trial of the paid version. This tutorial, however, works just fine with the free version, so you can simply click on the Maybe Later option in the top right corner and voila! Congratulations, you're now a Canva member. And on that note, let's get down to designing. Step 3. Going to work. Once you're in, you should be looking at your Canva dashboard. See all those colorful icons in front of you? You need to select the pink one that says Video for this project. As for the dimensions, 16:9 or widescreen is what I recommend for anything that's going to be visually rich. So click that first template in the drop-down menu. This will take you to a new tab. On the other hand, you can also customize your dimension using this option over here. Remember, you don't have to follow this tutorial to a T. You can experiment as much as you like. Anyway, once you've opened your design, you'll see a blank canvas like this one. I suggest you change your design name to Talking Avatar so it's easier to locate once you've downloaded it. With that done, look to the sidebar on your right. There are several tabs there. I want you to scroll down and click on Apps. Since I've already tried it, you can see the AI feature that I used, but you'll have to type in HeyGen AI without any spaces to be able to select it. Once you've opened the tool, you'll notice all these different avatar options. There are so many to choose from, but if none of them piques your interest, you can also upload one using this option. Just a quick heads up though, you'll have to connect your Canva to the AI platform before you get down to business. It's pretty simple, just click connect and sign in using your email. Once you've connected, the rest of these steps are a total breeze. Coming back to the avatar, once you selected or uploaded one that you like, pick a view mode. I'm going to pick this rectangular one. Next up, you'll have to upload your script. You can either type it out or upload an audio file. If you're not that good at writing, you can use ChatGPT to come up with a script. I'll keep things simple and just use one that's available on Canva. Following this, you'll have to pick an accent. I suggest you pick the one that's closest to yours. Again, there's no shortage of options. Finally, give your script a listen if you like, and then click Generate. Give it some time to process the whole thing. Meanwhile, I'm going to proceed to my end product and show you how you can edit yours. Step 4. Editing the video. Once your avatar's ready, click Add to Design. As you can see, it's pretty small. In order to make it fit your screen, select the video, right-click on it, and choose the Set Video as Background option in the drop-down menu. Lo and behold, play the video using the play button down below and see if it's up to your mark.
Hi there, welcome to my channel.
If the answer is in the affirmative, you can start editing it. To edit, select the video again and click on the Edit Video option in the header. You can't remove the background unless you have the paid version, but if you were to head on over to the Adjust tab over here, you'll notice that there are plenty of other ways for you to enhance your video. You can also add a filter from the filter section from before. Speaking of enhancements, if you want to take things up a notch, go to the Design tab in the sidebar and pick a design like so. Now return to the Apps tab and click Add to Design. Now adjust the video as per the design. Basically, just play around with these things until you have a video that best captures your creative vision. Once you've got a video that you think looks amazing, head over to the gray Share button in the corner and click on Download in the drop-down menu. Download the MP4, and now you're free to share your vision like never before. Here's a look at my finished product.
Hi there, welcome to my channel.
Now, about the part where I said you're free to share your vision, there's just one problem. HeyGen will only allow you to make longer videos if you're a paid member of their platform. You might have noticed the 1 credit you get upon signing up. You can either use it to make a 1-minute video or alternatively 2 30-second ones. But like always, I've got you covered here as well. Here's a quick tip to help you skirt around this problem and make videos like these for a lifetime. Step 5. Getting multiple trials. First things first, head to My Apps, click on the 3 dots next to HeyGen and delete it from your collection. Now go back to the apps, search for it again, and sign up using a temporary email. You can use a website like TempMail to get your temporary email. In case you don't get the option to sign up again, try logging into Canva using a temporary email using the first step again. Enjoy your lifetime membership to a talking avatar. You can thank me once it helps your business kick off. This mention of business reminds me that I should give you a few quick ideas to help put your talking avatar to good use or to rake in some extra bucks. Step 6. Monetize. In case you're not the type to frequent YouTube, educational or tutorial videos are all the rage these days. If you're an expert baker, you could use one of these avatar videos to upload a good recipe to YouTube. Now, if enough people were to watch your little recipe, you'd be able to make money off it. Similarly, you can make an infographic in your area of expertise. In fact, you can even start selling these types of videos to small businesses. This is called affiliate marketing, and you turn a small profit for every item that's sold because of your video. These are just 2 ideas, but you'd be surprised at the number of things you can undertake with these neat avatars. As I like to say, the possibilities are endless. You just need to go ahead and take a shot. That was all for this tutorial. If you've got any queries, leave them in the comments below, and remember to like this video and subscribe for more.